You've studied the patterns on the daily chart, but professional scalpers make their living on the 1-minute and 5-minute chart. Welcome to the highest frequency, most demanding strategy, high probability crypto scalping. This is a sprint, not a marathon, and milliseconds matter. Warning, scalping is high risk. You must be meticulous with your risk. The 1% rule is non-negotiable. Only use high liquidity assets like BTC or ETH. This is for entertainment and education only. The time frame shift. We are moving our focus entirely to the 5-minute chart for setup and the 1-minute chart for entry and exit. We are targeting quick 0.5% to 1% moves that add up throughout the day. The Scalping Toolkit, 3 key indicators. On these low time frames, we need fast, responsive indicators to confirm momentum and trend direction. Indicator 1, the EMA crossover. We use a 9-period EMA fast and a 21-period EMA slow. This combination is your trend filter. You only look for long trades when the 9 EMA is firmly above the 21 EMA. Indicator 2, MACD, momentum confirmation. We use the standard MA settings 12, 26, 9, but pay close attention to the histogram's shift. A bullish crossover on the MACD is your final momentum confirmation before entry. Indicator 3, RSI, extremes and exhaustion. On the 1-minute chart, standard 70-30 levels are too wide. We look for the RSI to show brief overbought 80 or oversold 20 conditions near support resistance for a quick reversal scalp. The high probability scalp setup, the rejection scalp. We adapt the wick recovery pattern for speed. Step 1, 5mm setup. Identify a strong support or resistance level. Wait for price to aggressively push through it and then immediately snap back and close inside the range with a long wick. This is your high probability pivot zone. Step 2, 1mm entry. Zoom to the 1-minute chart. Wait for the 9 EMA to cross above the 21 EMA and the MACD to cross bullishly right after the snapback. Step 3, risk management. Your stop loss is ultra tight. Place it just below the lowest point of the 5-minute wick. Step 4, the 1.5R exit. Scalping targets quick moves. Aim for a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio, 1.5R, and exit the majority of your position. Do not be greedy. Get your profit and reset. Crucial adaptation, liquidity and slippage. Scalping demands high liquidity. Stick only to top pairs like BTC UST or ETH USDT. Low liquidity means your order will not fill at your expected price slippage, which can instantly erase your small profit target. Automate your orders. To avoid slippage and panic, use OCO one cancels other orders on your exchange. This places your stop loss and take profit automatically the moment you enter, ensuring lightning-fast execution. Scalping is the purest form of disciplined trading. You become a machine, executing the system without emotion. What is your preferred scalping time frame? 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute? Let us know.